Tinnitus, or ringing in the ears, can be caused by a variety of factors, but often it accompanies hearing loss. If you have hearing loss and are suffering from tinnitus, oftentimes putting hearing aids on can alleviate that tinnitus. For about 60% of patients, they experience relief with a hearing aid fitting. If you don't need hearing aids, but still are suffering from tinnitus, there's a variety of things we can try to help alleviate that. There are now apps that can be used with your smartphone that help provide background sound environments, as well as stress relaxation and meditation techniques that can help people experience some relief.